Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the ps command that displays information on running processes. Now, if you type nothing but ps like this, you're just going to see the processes that are running in your current session, like a current terminal window. In this case, you can see I'm running the ps command and I'm using bash. Now, if I want to see all of the processes, I could do this instead. And I'll go ahead and pipe that to more so you can see how many there are. This goes on for page after page. Okay, and that's a lot of processes. And I'm going to do this again and just show you that if you look at the top, you see that there are a lot of fields here. We have the user ID, process ID, the parent process ID, the time or date that the process started, if it's associated with the terminal, what terminal, how much accumulated time it's used, and the command itself. So I'll just Control-C at this point. Okay. Now, if you want to see only certain processes, you can go ahead and do PSEF and then just grep. Grep on a command name like SSH, like that. Well, that's better. Or you can grep on a username like Nemo, and you can see processes just being run by Nemo. You can also use the PSEF command to count how many processes are running like that. So we'll pipe that to the WC command, and we can see there are 239 processes running right now on this particular system. Well, that's your Linux tip for the PS command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.